Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened marginally lower at 10,507.83. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged 0.06% higher, while Germany's DAX gained 0.17%. In the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 25,297.62, while the S&P 500 also finished slightly weaker at 7,354.02. In company news, telecoms group BT has agreed to form a $4 billion global enterprise connectivity joint venture with Verizon, creating a new international platform focused on multinational businesses. Meanwhile, newspaper distributor Smiths News has secured a long-term contract to continue distributing Associated Newspapers titles, improving long-term revenue visibility. Against sterling, the US dollar and Swiss franc were little changed, the euro was broadly steady, the yen weakened, and the Australian dollar edged higher. Bitcoin traded slightly higher. In commodities, copper and gold slipped, Brent crude eased slightly, while natural gas also moved lower. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.